In the heart of Igbo land there exists a secret force, a deity of fire, willpower, and unstoppable success. This is Ikenga. Centuries ago, before colonization, the Igbo people worshipped a god unlike any other, Ikenga, the horned deity of destiny. Warriors carried it into battle, blacksmiths invoked its power to forge unbreakable swords, kings consulted it before making decisions. But Ikenga was not just a statue, it was alive. To awaken its power, secret rituals were performed, rituals so potent they could make or break a man's destiny. But the most mysterious power of Ikenga, its ability to enter dreams. To some it appeared as a warrior, to others a roaring lion. These were not just dreams, they were messages from the ancestors. Today, Ikenga has evolved, no longer confined to village shrines, it now fuels entrepreneurs, athletes, and creators worldwide. Because one truth remains, Ikenga is the ultimate symbol of self-mastery. Ikenga is more than history, it is a living force. A reminder that your destiny is in your hands. So tell me, will you awaken yours? Smash that like button, subscribe and comment. Ikenga, guide me.